Video press releases and other PR materials are a powerful way for businesses to get the word out about their products, services, or events. By creating engaging and informative videos, businesses can effectively communicate their message to their target audience and generate buzz and interest in their brand. Here are a few tips for creating effective video press releases and other PR materials. Know your audience. The first step in creating a video press release or other PR material is to understand who your target audience is and what they're interested in. This will help you tailor your video to speak to their needs and interests, and ensure that it effectively communicates your message. Focus on the key points. Your video press release or other PR material should focus on the key points you want to communicate, and clearly convey the value of your product, service, or event. Be sure to keep your message concise and to the point, and avoid including unnecessary information. Use engaging visuals. Video press releases and other PR materials should be visually appealing and engaging, so be sure to use high-quality footage and graphics to illustrate your points. This could include photos, videos, animations, or other visual aids. Keep it short and sweet. Most people have short attention spans when it comes to online video, so be sure to keep your video press release or other PR material concise and to the point. Aim for a video that's no longer than 2-3 minutes, and get straight to the point of what you're trying to communicate. Include a call to action. At the end of your video press release or other PR material, be sure to include a clear call to action that tells your audience what to do next. This could be a link to your website where they can learn more about your product or service, or a phone number they can call to get more information. There are many different types of video press releases and other PR materials that businesses can create, depending on their goals and target audience. Some options might include product announcements. Product announcement videos are used to introduce a new product or service to the public. They're a great way to generate buzz and interest in your brand. Event promos. Event promo videos are used to promote an upcoming event, such as a conference, concert, or trade show. They're a great way to generate excitement and interest in your event. Company overviews. Company overview videos are used to give a high-level overview of your business and what you do. They're a great way to introduce your brand to new audiences. Press conferences. Press conference videos are used to hold a press conference and share important news or updates with the media and public. They're a great way to communicate with your audience in a more formal setting. By creating effective video press releases and other PR materials, businesses can effectively communicate their message to their target audience and generate buzz and interest in their brand. Whether you're announcing a new product, promoting an event, or giving an overview of your business, video is a powerful tool for getting the word out and building your brand.